Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Giving Gami, the Explorer. And do you know what we are going to learn today? If not, let's see in the next lesson. Yes, soil erosion and conservation by me. Soil. You can see soil around you. Did you know? Soil has rock particles in the form of sand, silt, clay, and pebbles. Soil also contains air, tiny living things, and humus. If you don't know humus, don't. Humus is formed from the remains of plants and animals. Means when animals and plants die, their remains change into humus. Soil formation. Do you know how the soil formed? Many millions of years ago, the whole earth was covered with rocks and rocks. The heat from the sun heated the rocks and rain cooled it. By this process, the rocky surface cracked. Third stage, wind and water winded cracks. Rocks broke into pieces. Then pebbles, sand, silt, and clay were formed. Later plant came and their remains mixed with the soil. This is how soil was born. Yes, it is a too long process. And don't forget that soil formation is a slow process, but it's an ongoing process. Yes, it is being formed even this movement also. Soil erosion. So now we are going to talk about soil erosion. Any process that damages or removes the topsoil of a region causes soil erosion. Soil erosion makes the soil less fertile. Yes. Soil erosion mainly occurs due to wind and flowing water. You can see here erosion by wind. The flowing water is taking away the topsoil. And here's the wind. And you can see here, because of the strong wind, the soil is removed. So now we will see natural causes of soil erosion. First cause is barren land. Barren land is a land that does not have plants growing on it, and that land we call barren land. It gets eroded at a faster rate. Barren soil get exposed to sunlight and dries up quickly. The dry loosened topsoil is easily removed by the wind and flowing water and causes soil erosion. Deforestation. Cutting of trees in large number from a forest or any other region is called deforestation. Deforestation damages the green cover of our land. Deforestation also leads to soil erosion. Overgrazing. Overgrazing by cattle lead to destruction of plants. It makes the land barren because if we take the whole cattle at the same place every time, the plants of that region will be finished and they will not be able to grow again because they are continuously eating them. And the land becomes barren and becomes exposed to wind and flowing water, leading to soil erosion again. Now we will talk about soil conservation. It is a very essential part for our future generations. If we want our future generation to stay healthy and stay very healthy and strong, so we have to save soil. And it's mandatory for all to protect our precious soil. Yes. And this is soil conservation. Prevention of soil erosion is called soil conservation. Grow plants for preventing soil erosion. Barren land should be covered with a variety of plants. Yes. Now let's see some ways to stop soil erosion. Afforestation. Afforestation is a process of planting trees in a barren land, such as hill slopes. It is an attempt to develop a new forest-like area. Yes. And this is reforestation. Natural event or human action can destroy a forest. And reforestation is a process to revive a damaged forest that can be done by planting more trees. Reforestation and afforestation both are different. Afforestation means to create a new forest-like area, and deforestation means to revive a damaged forest. Terrace or strip farming. In hill slopes, farmers convert hill into steps to grow crops. The steps reduce the flow of water and prevent soil from being washed, such as farms are called terrace or slope farming. Advantages of terrace farming are that it reduces the force of rainwater and prevents soil from being washed. Water fills each step and plants are able to absorb water. You can see here. Each step is filled with water and it is filled and every plant are getting equal amounts of water. Cover crops. After each crop, there is a period when the farms become barren. Yes, and barren land exposed to sunlight, it dries the soil, prevent inflowing water can easily blow away the soil. To stop this, farmer grows crops to cover the land until the new crop is not grown. This process is called cover crops. Yes, you can see here. The new plants have not grown. That's why the farmers have planted the grasses. And after the new plants are grown, they remove these grasses or keep them as a cattle feed. Shelter belts. Farm which is open from all sides is exposed to wind and flowing water. Farmers therefore grow shrubs, trees, or grasses on the boundaries of the farm. So the plants reduce the speed of wind as you can see here. These are the farms and these are the boundaries. So the farmers have planted the trees. And when the wind will come from other direction, it will stop and reduce the flow of wind. Yes. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something new about plants and soil. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my latest videos.